Home remedies for dry scalp. Oatmeal. Oatmeal is a great healer for a dry scalp as well as dull and lifeless hair. The vitamin E in it helps keep the scalp and hair well moisturized and prevents dryness, flaking and itching. Direction: mix 1 tablespoon of oatmeal powder into 1/2 cup of water. Massage the mixture gently onto the scalp. Leave it on for 20 to 30 minutes. Rinse it out with cold water. Repeat once or twice a week. Beer. If you have a bottle of beer at home, then it's time to use it to get rid of your dry scalp. Beer is a great natural conditioner and gives a nice deep conditioning treatment to your dry scalp and hair. It also has surprising beauty benefits for skin and hair. High in vitamin B and yeast, beer also makes your hair soft and shiny. Direction: mix 2 cups of beer and 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Apply this mixture on your hair after shampooing. Wait 5 minutes, then rinse it out with cool water. Repeat once or twice a week. Alternatively, mix a few drops of jojoba oil into 1 cup of dark beer. Apply it on your hair and leave it on for 15 minutes. Rinse it out with water, followed by regular shampooing. Additional tips: brush your hair with a soft, pure or bristle brush before washing it to remove any buildup of oil, hair products and skin cells. Brush your hair regularly, as it increases blood circulation and distributes natural oil in the scalp. Keep yourself hydrated by drinking an adequate amount of water to prevent dry skin as well as scalp. Eat foods rich in essential fatty acids like flax seeds, walnuts and salmon. Reduce your intake of coffee and alcohol to help alleviate your dry scalp. Wear a scarf to protect your hair from the sun and other harsh weather conditions. Do not use hot water to wash your hair, as it further dries out your hair. Do not use an alcohol-based shampoo, which also dries out your hair. Do not tie up wet hair, as it can increase the chance of a fungal infection. Avoid using hair products that contain various chemicals that can irritate the scalp and cause an allergic reaction, redness and itchiness. Don't overstyle your hair, as it can lead to structural and heat damage. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends for more natural remedies video. Please don't forget subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching this video.